Hello and welcome back to another session on the Meinberg Network Management System. After we have successfully onboarded all our equipment, we can now monitor and control those. For example, change a single parameter on one device. But what if you want to manage a complete configuration? Let's have a look at that. Let's go to the Equipment tab. Here you see a list of all your equipment, and to take a full backup, let's start with that, for example of a LAN time M200. Click on your device, click on the backup button, take a running backup. This takes the complete configuration of your current LAN time M200. Click on next, finish, takes a couple of seconds, stores the configuration on a predefined folder or FTP server. You can also take another kind of backup when I do the same thing again. I click on backup once more. You see there is a golden backup. A golden backup is a subset of your complete configuration. For example, if you only want to backup your security settings and roll those out to all other M200 device types, you can easily use that for mass configuration. Another example here, you can take a full configuration except for the IP settings, and also with that, let's assume you have another 50 M200 devices in your setup. You simply roll out a complete config, mass configuration with just a few clicks. The golden backups, by the way, they are fully configurable via rules. Here you see for the LAN time non-modular series or the LAN time modular series, I have set a very simple rule to say only the path -security-SNMP will be stored whenever I take a golden configuration. Back to my overview. We have done our backup on the LAN time M200. Now let's have a look what kind of backups we had so far. There were taken backups before, a golden backup, a running backup, and let's take the last one we have done here, that one here. I can say show content. Have a look at my complete configuration, scroll through it, get all the details. That's a full config backup of the LAN time M200. I can also compare configurations against each other. For example, take this one here, take another one down there, click on compare, and what you will see, it logs in, takes a config, and there is one single difference. The time scale here is set to 1, the other one was set to 0. Now I can make a decision and say, okay, somebody has changed that. Let's take the old configuration back to that LAN time M200. We go to the update page, take this one here, select the M200, say update, bring my config back, click on finish, updates the old configuration from 6:15 in the morning, and you see after a couple of seconds updating the configuration has finished, and I'm back to my previous version. It's that simple. Once more, with a few clicks, you can take full backups, you can take the running backup as we call it, you can also take golden configurations, golden backups, whatever you want, everything with just a few clicks. Take backups, update your devices again, restore backups, and do mass configuration, all within that Equipment tab. Thanks for watching, see you in the next round.